Hey guys, it's Dean. Welcome to Manflow Yoga. In this video, I'm going to be talking about what you should and should not be feeling while doing a standing side bend. So let's start off with what you should not be feeling. So first thing you shouldn't be feeling is uneven shoulders. And by that, I mean one shoulder shouldn't be in front of the other or behind the other. You want to make sure that as you're doing a standing side bend, your shoulders are level with one another, almost as if you were kind of sandwiched between two walls or kind of sandwiched between two doors. So you want to make sure that usually the air here is the top shoulder kind of rounds down and forward, and you end up kind of looking down and forward with your chest. Make sure that your chest is facing straight forward and your shoulders are level with one another in terms of kind of being in the same, again, kind of if looking from the side, it should be straight on, if that makes sense. Second thing you want to avoid is a relaxed core. So a lot of people will do this standing side bend with a relaxed core and relaxed thighs. So you should make sure that you're squeezing your thighs. You want to make sure that you're squeezing your core and using your abs to support yourself as you're doing the side bend. If you're not doing this correctly, what it's going to look like is kind of collapsing, right? So you're just not going to feel your abs working to support yourself. You'll still feel the stretch, but you'll kind of just be collapsing. So you should feel engaged core. If you don't feel an engaged core, then you need to make sure that you're using your thighs and you're using your core. It helps to put a block between your thighs. That kind of forces your core to engage. So you can always use a block to do that. And then what should you be feeling? So as you're doing the stretch, you want to feel a stretch as you're doing this posture, you should be feeling a stretch from your hips, your outer hips, up through the shoulder. So whichever side is exposed to the ceiling, you want to be feeling stretching through that side. Again, you're also going to be feeling muscle engagement in your core, and by core I mean your abs, also in your obliques, your thighs, and you're also going to be feeling your shoulders and your upper back working, because when you squeeze your arms back and you press your palms together, you're going to feel those muscles in your upper back and shoulders working. So that's the main things that you should be feeling and not feeling when doing a standing side bend. All right, hope you guys found this video useful. Make sure to check out the rest of this page for more information on this pose, including considerations, proper technique, modifications, how to make it easier, and FAQs, and a bunch more stuff. Hope you're using this pose guide. Hope you check out the rest of the website. Make sure you're using the training resources. Check out the members area if you haven't seen that yet. And all the information that I just gave you is pretty much taken directly from my book, Yoga Fitness for Men. If you're looking for a physical resource to help you learn yoga and practice the postures, that is a fantastic resource. It's a #1 new release in 3 categories on Amazon, featured in Muscle and Fitness magazine, and also in Men's Health. Thanks guys for watching. I look forward to seeing you on the next video.